Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Beginner Level Quiz. What is the correct form of the verb she blank a book? Have, has, having. Has. She has a book. Choose the correct article. I need blank pencil. A, an, them. A, I need a pencil. What is the correct possessive pronoun? Me, my, I, mine. Identify the subject in the sentence. It is raining. It is raining. It. What is the plural of city? City, cities, and cities with IES. Cities with IES. Identify the adverb in the sentence. He runs quickly. He runs quickly. Quickly. What is the present participle of fly? Flew, flying, flied, flying. Choose the correct article. I have blank apple. A, an, those. An, I have an apple. Identify the conjunction in the sentence. I like both tea and coffee. I like and. Choose the correct conjunction. I want both ice cream blank cake. And, but, or. And. I want both ice cream and cake. What is the correct form of to be in the present tense? They blank students. Am, are, is. Are. Which sentence is grammatically correct? We isn't happy. We don't happy. We aren't happy. We aren't happy. What is the opposite of sad? Happy. Angry. Tired. Happy. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is sleeping blank the chair. On, in, at. On. The cat is sleeping on the chair. Identify the verb in the sentence. She plays the piano. She plays piano. Plays. What is the correct possessive pronoun? Their, them, they. Their. What is the past tense of bring? Bringing, bring, brought, brought. What is the correct past tense of drink? Drinking, drank, drinked, drank. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. I blank going to the beach. Am is are. I am going to the beach. What is the comparative form of young? Younger, old, younged. Younger.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.